Hello all. Today I'm going to discuss concussion-related light sensitivity. The human eye can respond to a very, very large range of intensities, from hardly any light at all, for example, an overcast night with only 1/1000th of a lux, to painful levels of illumination, say on a very bright, sunny day clocking in over 10,000 lux. We deal with this huge spread of intensities in a number of ways. Our autonomic nervous system is our first line of defense. If it's too bright, it closes down our pupils. Or if it's too dim, it opens them back up. Due to concussion-related autonomic dysfunction, some individuals even have difficulty with this very basic level of control. Like with sound that I covered in PT Tip 3, being able to cope with different light levels does not happen just in your eyes. The brain is very heavily involved too. The areas of the brain for light are different than for sound, but the cellular mechanisms are about the same. For light, the principal area of the brain is the thalamus. In addition, the superior colliculus that helps control eye muscles also plays a part. At the cellular level of the brain, interneurons modulate how much light stimulus makes it to the individual neuron. It's best to think of these areas of the brain and the interneurons as being like executive assistants. They spend most of their time saying, "Nope, I'm sorry, but this area of the brain or individual neuron is just too busy. Please move along." Due to concussion-related lack of energy, problems with metabolisms, possible inflammation, or possible cellular damage, one or more of the executive assistants will be partially or fully offline. The poor neuron, which still has to do its regular chores, now has to take on the assistance duties as well. It soon becomes overwhelmed with too many things to juggle. As a result, the brain area or neurons strongly complains to you in the form of increased symptoms, or they temporarily shut down, in other words, confusion for you. Remember, this is just an analogy, but I think it gives you a sense of what the neuron is being exposed to and the compassion you need to give it and by extension yourself. When you're faced with an overly bright environment and or lack internal resources, you can wear a wide-brimmed hat or sunglasses, squint or shield your eyes, or at last resort, retreat to a dark room. But if you engage in these avoidance behaviors too much and for too long, you will gradually become more and more sensitive to light and have to retreat more and more, thereby shrinking your already small world even more. In the next PT tip, I will look at what you can do to overcome light sensitivity, plus or minus professional help. Keep on healing. December 3rd, 2024, revised June 18th, 2025.